That's right, folks. It's the Vagrant's Valet, and today we are in beautiful southern Indiana. That's right. And you know what we're gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cache these roller skates, and we're gonna go out. We're gonna get in the Vagrant's Valet command vehicle, and we're gonna look for some homeless people, maybe some people who aren't doing so well, and we're gonna cheer them up. We're gonna give them some water, some Diet Pepsi, maybe a little breakfast. How about that? And we're actually gonna buy a few hamburgers. We're gonna go through a drive-through, and then a first ever on the Vagrant's Valet channel, I'm gonna give away one of my hats to one of the lucky winners here today. That's right. And you know why we're gonna do this? You know why we're just gonna give this stuff away? Because so much has been given to us. Ding, ding. Hey brother, you doing all right?
Huh?
You doing okay?
I'm looking for cigarettes.
Yeah, really? Did you get something to eat? Did you get some breakfast this morning? I can't see you.
Yeah, I've already ate.
You want how about a bottle of water then?
No, I'm alright.
Oh, okay. What's your name?
Jim?
Jim, you doing all right, Jim?
No.
No, you living on the street?
Yeah, well, no. Not yet, anyway.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm rooting for you, buddy.
Thank
Here,
you.
well, give a bottle of water to somebody. See somebody who needs one. How about that?
Okay.
Okay, maybe that guy when he wakes up.
Alright.
Thanks, Jim.
Yep.
Good, good. Did you get something to eat? You want some breakfast?
Sure.
Got some scrambled eggs there for you.
You got fork?
Yeah, I sure do.
Thank you.
Sure do. Sorry about that. Is John around?
He was walking. I don't know if he's in the tent or not.
All right, here's a bottle of water. Does your buddy want one?
You want a bottle of water? No, he said.
Well, here's an extra. Give it to somebody.
All right, we'll do.
All right, I'm gonna see if John's up here real quick. Is that cool?
Yeah, that's fine. Go right ahead.
Okay. Hey there. You need a ride?
No, I'm just wondering.
You sure?
I don't know where I'm going.
Really? Did you get something to eat? I can buy you lunch if you want.
Okay.
Oh yeah, hop on in. I'll get you a burger. What? I definitely hear you. I definitely hear you on that. How about how about some rallies? Does that sound good?
Sounds awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're a good dude.
What's your name, please?
I'm Michael.
Michael. Right on. I'm Zook.
Zook?
Yeah. Don't let the glasses scare you.
Zucchini?
Well.
Wow. Zook, I never met a Zook.
Oh well, these are the days of miracles and wonders, right, Mike?
We survived the end of the world. So
Well,
I should probably put my seatbelt on.
yeah, it's up to you.
Oh, it's the law.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's right.
I am the law.
We're law-abiding citizens
That's
around
right.
here. I think they have.
Pillars of the community.
You want a bottle of water, Mike?
Oh, sure.
Get your whistle here a little bit. Hey, this is.
Yeah, I can't whistle.
This is. We're riding in luxury here.
Yeah. Yes. You're like a Uber driver only.
Except free. It's free. It's free.
You gotta feed me?
You know her?
Mm-mm. Nope. She don't look as fun as you.
How you doing? You want a bottle of water?
Cup of coffee.
Oh, there
I
you.
got some instant coffee.
There you go.
Instant coffee. She'll be wired in no time. Wired for sound.
So what are you doing? Are you living on the streets? Are you kind of in between, or?
Bouncing, yeah. I wouldn't call myself entire streets on the streets or anything, but I am definitely
Well, a Rolling
about
Stone.
to be.
a Rolling Stone gathers no moss,
That's
right?
That's right. And you know, I mean, I'm blessed with good people around me, so I guess my karma's holding up.
Oh, there you go.
I got strangers inviting me to lunch, you know.
Well, the good news just keeps getting better here. Where'd you stay last night? Are you?
Well, I haven't been asleep yet, but I stayed with some friends.
Oh.
And then they decided they was going to bed about noon, so I decided I would leave them to it. They work nights, so they're up daytime.
They got oh, there's two.
Brunch on a budget.
They got some of those loaded fry burgers. That sound good?
Loaded fry burgers. That sounds like everything I could possibly need. What's the loaded fry burger? Like fries and sandwich or
Yeah, they said that it looks like it's a special up on the marquee.
mix and match menu, 2 for $5. 2 for
Yeah, you want your
whatever.
pick
I'm
whatever.
easy. Just tell me what. My price
Pick
range
whatever.
is.
Pick whatever you want here. Those 2 for $5s look good.
Yep.
Ding dang. Are you from around here? Are you from
I
Bloomington?
grew up here. Yep. Made it out for a while. Went to Oregon and
Oh, Puget Sound
Tempest Fusion.
in Oregon, isn't it? Seattle.
I threw back a Star Trek title. Yeah, I didn't know.
What was the Star Trek title?
Tempest Fusion. Isn't that something about time travel? I don't know.
Is that the one where Mr. Spock and Captain Kirk went back, and it was like a World War II Germany?
Edith Keeler must die. Yes.
Was that the episode?
Joan Collins running the mission. Yes.
All right.
For a doctor knocks her out of the way in front of a car, and later on she goes and gets the president to think he needed help, not bombings, and so we stayed out of the war. Yes.
Oh yeah, and they put that helmet on Mr. Spock, and you couldn't see his ears were pointing.
He had a rice picking accident. Yeah, stretched his ears.
Is that what it was?
Welcome to Rally's. Would you like to try our #1 combo?
Nice try, Lee.
We'll have
What is that? A spicy chicken sandwich?
yeah. How about 2 spicy chicken sandwiches?
Awesome.
Now you have one.
Okay, I'm working on your order.
Okay, well, and we will have 1 for now, 1 for later. Does that sound like a good idea? Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
They got you talking to a machine here.
That way they don't have to do as much talking. They just want the money.
What other? You see, I was never much of a Star Trek guy because I used to watch the reruns.
I hated the original when I was growing up, but I fell in love with it as a grown up.
Yeah, because it was only on for like 3 seasons in the 60s, and I guess it wasn't that popular. But then the reruns started, and especially...
I'm especially into this new series that they're doing on the internet, or whatever, Netflix or whatever it is. They have like really cool stories. Discovery, the ship that disappeared, and they've always talked about it since, I don't know, five seasons ago they were talking about it, but it's a sister ship to Kirk. But it disappeared, and they didn't know where it went. Just like our Discovery blew up. Just like every season, there's a Discovery, and something bad happens to it. But anyway, this one disappeared. It went 1,000 years into the future. But it runs on a mycelium network.
Mycelium?
Yes, which sounds ridiculous until someone pointed out that the whole warp thing is ridiculous.
What is mycelium? Is that like some made-up like molecule or something?
Some kind of tardigrade bear that's microscopic. It's sort of like the Borg and its tunnels through space. I don't know. But they have the first black lady captain, and her slogan is "Let's fly."
Is that Uhura?
No, but Uhura's back. She's just a cadet. She's the only cadet in the new show Discovery. No, not that one. It's Strange New Worlds, which is the Enterprise before Kirk with Captain Pike. And she's just a cadet, little bald girl. I love it. She's the lowest person on the team. She becomes Michelle Nichols.
That is Michelle Nichols. Jeez, you're like
I am.
You're a trivia dude.
I picked something that would never end, and I did that on purpose, and I was right. It's just not ending. Now they've got crossovers between like the cartoon episodes and real live action episodes. I don't know how they do it. I haven't seen it yet, but crossovers with a cartoon.
Yeah, that sounds like were you much of a Star Wars guy?
Yeah, but now I'm way past. They blew me out of the water. I haven't been able to keep up with that one.
You know what? I waited my whole life to watch Anakin Skywalker turn into Darth Vader on Mustafar, and I thought it was a bust. I just thought they missed.
Like watching it. It lasted forever.
It was a little slow, and then when they started lightsaber fighting, it was like it was all like computer generated, and it was kind of hard to follow. I sound like an old man, don't I?
I think I wanted the 3 for like 7, 8, 9. I wanted those first. I think. I don't think I liked waiting as long as I did for them. I just didn't care anymore. And then when Leia floated out of the spacecraft,
Yeah,
back
that-
to base, that kind of.
That was a little bit weird.
But I love me some Carrie Fisher. She's awesome.
Yeah, she.
Her one woman show is great. If you ever get the chance to see it, Wishful Drinking. It's awesome. It's all about her life. And
Hey, how are ya?
How are you? What was the order for you?
It was two single chicken sandwiches.
Gotcha, 2 spicy chickens.
Yeah,
and some salt, please.
and some salt too. Sodium. That's sodium chloride, right?
Oh. The 2 spicy chickens, that's gonna be $5.40.
Oh, okay. No, I got it. I got it here. What's your name, please?
Hannah?
Hannah. Right on, Hannah. I'm Zook. This is my buddy Bobby.
Hi.
Hello.
Is Val around today?
She's not.
Oh, Val.
Is she hiring?
She'll be around later.
Oh, you guys have a job application?
Not physically, but if you go on to the website.
Do I talk to Val? Is that the lady I talk to?
Yeah. Is Val the person to talk to?
That would be.
Yeah, my buddy's looking for a job.
Gotcha. If you come inside the lobby, there's a scanner that you can scan and it'll take you right to
I
the
don't know how to
application
do all
on the
that.
website.
Okay.
You can fill out there and then you can file for it. It's like an interview thing.
Okay,
I
fantastic.
swear barcode and give myself to the devil or something.
Those sandwiches are gonna be right out.
Okay, you guys do a great job. Ding dang.
I'll come back and see her. Val. I know her name's Val.
Yeah, you know what? When I
Do it online.
first. All right, thank you very much. There you go. You know what? When I first got to town,
Where are you from?
I'm from Hobart, Indiana, up north.
Okay.
And when I first got to town, I was totally broke. I mean, I had no money. And I came in here looking for a job because it's not like it is now. Jobs weren't as plentiful. And Val hired me. And before I could start, the grocery store called over here at Kroger. So I worked as a stock boy doing on the midnight shift. I never.
Wondering about Kroger.
I'll tell you what. I was stocking cans in the aisles at night. I'll tell you what, Bob. That's some hard work. I worked there for about 3 weeks.
Yes.
I worked for about 3 weeks, and then the print shop called, and I started working at the fine print over there. Joe Ray. He's since passed away. His memory is a blessing, but man, it was a great place to work when I was during my Indiana University college days. So
you just go around and be hero here and there? And
there's only one hero, and he's upstairs. So
yeah, he looks at me every day and just gives me a free pass almost every day.
okay, I'm gonna write down my friend here at Rallies. Okay, her name is Val.
Carrie Fisher in her show says if her life wasn't funny, it would only be tragic, and I really got a lot out of that. Considering her father eats his hearing aids because he puts them in a pill bottle.
Oh
Eddie
boy.
Fisher, yeah.
Okay.
You should watch that show. It's really great.
Val's the manager. Tell her you talked to Zook.
The lady that hired you.
Yes.
All
Yeah,
right.
she's very nice. She's been the manager there for like 10 years.
Zook.
So you got a job recommendation from Zook, and
No other Zooks have I ever met. I love it.
okay, yeah, these are the days of miracles and wonders, I tell you.
Better than days of our lives.
So hey, look for me in the future if I can help out, and I look forward to seeing you working at Rallies.
Awesome.
Ding ding.
Find me, man.
All right.
Sure, I appreciate you.
Hey,
I
thank
may even pass this forward to one of these if.
See now
if you need it.
now you're talking. We got one to eat, one to pass out. I love your spirit. You make the
I'll
world go
probably eat
round.
them both, but yeah.
Well, that's okay too. Hey, look for me, and you want to take your seatbelt off. It's a little easier to get out.
Can you feel it?
Yeah. But hey, look for me in the future, Bob. I'll help you.
That's not the dumbest thing I've done today, so I love it. My life
Well-
is terrible. Not so much for my friends, but for me, it's great.
All right. Hey,
Bless you, man.
Hey, bless
I
you.
love that hat, by the way. That's
You know what, you want it?
Yes. I
Here,
need
here.
a
You know what?
signature. I need a signature.
Here, there you go.
What do you think?
You know what? You look great. You're probably gonna have women trying to marry you now. I'll give it a try.
I do need a tax check. Thank you, man.
All right.
If you ever want to hang out, for sure, come find me.
Okay. Enjoy that hat.
Yep, I will. Thank you. Sure you don't want it?
No. It's all yours. It's all yours. You look fantastic.
You look great.
Well, I feel great.
You're glowing.
All right. Well, how about that? There's a guy who's who has definitely limited resources. He's looking for a job, and he's got a bright, sunny personality, even though he certainly has some adversity. And hey, you know what? Thanks to everybody and all the generous donations here with the channel. We got him a couple of, what was that, chicken burgers there that were tasting and smelling pretty good. And he even got a bonus hat. We had a hat giveaway here with the Vagrant's Valet channel. First ever. And like I said, the good news around here, folks, well, it just keeps on getting better. So, hey, let's get back out on the streets and let's get to work. And for that, I definitely say ding and ding.